expert as it has all the information needed, but it's also a noob in the fact that you have to like really massage it and to get the right answers. And so now I put it into a function, and now I can say, hey, let's loop this function forever. And that will allow me to run this bot 24/7, 365. So how do I loop forever? Well, let's go ahead here and say loop bot forever, and that should be fine, because remember, when we enter, it just chills for 5 days. You know, if you have this up on a server or a computer, it's just chilling for 5 days after it enters, and then it's gonna check this. So loop bot forever, we have to hit schedule dot every, let's just do 15 seconds, and dot seconds dot do and bot, and then we have to import schedule, import schedule, and I might want to import that at the top, but then we'll say while true, we want to try schedule, and we put a try block there just in case like internet goes out or something. I don't want to have to rerun this, because for example, if the internet goes out or something happens, I can just say print maybe internet problem error sleeping 30 and retrying. So I'll copy and paste that a few times. I want to go ahead and see if I can get this to run, but I'm not going to spend too much more time debugging it. You can see that if I run this every 15 seconds, let's just run it for 1 second now, and let's go ahead and go to my Phoenix. Well, let's see if it runs first.